Yo, what is up, guys? It is finally time for another video. I know it's been a long time, but as you can see, check engine light's on. That's because of my long tube headers and my no cats and stuff like that. So finally, if you can't tell by the title of the video, I'm doing a exhaust video. Finally, it's been a long time. I got a custom made exhaust with 3-inch piping all the way through and custom cutouts, electric cutouts. So there's a little switch that you can't really see, but it's right under my, lighting area situation that I have right there. So the button is really, it's dark. It blends in with my dash and stuff, so you can't see it. It's very hidden, and which is how I wanted it to be. But I just flip it up, opens up my exhaust cutouts, which makes the car very loud, and then flip it down, and it will close my cutouts and make it quieter. So I really like that in the car, and yeah, it sounds amazing with it open, and it sounds very quiet and nice with it low. So I'm gonna be showing y'all the differences between the two throughout the video. I know this is a random short first half, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more. And yeah, tell me what you want next. Peace. Enjoy.